wake up in the morning, I got dirt bikes on my mind. Kawasaki 4-stroke SSRs are alright. I rode over the time limit, but that is alright. Just put a 24/7 on my freaking time. If you're gonna hate me, then that is alright. But if you're gonna betray me, it is going to be a fight. I had my front tire right behind the line. Once the light turns green, I'ma let in all my might. My eyes were green mixed with red as I was staring at the light. I let go of the clutch and I revved so high. And then I switched gears 3 times. I sent the leaves dancing super high in the sky.